I am Dr. Henry Dietrich from Luxembourg. We finished now a 3-day course about cortically fixed advance, which is a unique technique in the treatment of the atrophied bone, as well in the maxilla as well as in the mandible. So what is this course so unique? Doctors learn in this course, they are learning the technique and they are learning to handle the implants, because each type of treatment needs a special type of protocol. By this protocol, we need to handle derugated implants and hybrid plates. So you must be able to handle this technique and to handle these implants. And by this you will learn this in this unique course. What is also specific to this course is that in general, you as an implantologist, you already have all techniques. You do bone grafting, you do sinus lift, you do nerve displacement, you do zygomatic implants. But by handling the hybrid plates and by handling the principles of cortically fixed advance, you still get an additional tool to treat your patients, maybe in a less invasive way, and even if your technique fails, you still have an additional tool to save your cases and to help your patients. And by this it is unique. But you must be trained in the technique, because the technique is sensitive and you must know how to handle it. And for this, a training is absolutely necessary, because otherwise you will be not successful.
I came to the course here actually to learn more about innovative solution for atrophied jaws, maxilla and mandible, which I have a lot of them.
My expectations are to gain the clinical skills and the practical experience and knowledge needed to address cases that are adequate to this kind of implant installation. The thing I like most about this workshop is the personal approach for each practitioner. Moreover, the practical training.
For those who didn't attend yet and who are thinking to attend, maybe the course is a little bit expensive, but it's worth to spend and invest in yourself, in your education. And I think from 1 or 2 cases, the course will be paid back 5 times at least.